Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henin kasngi ka arpway trek unai weng. Ka Sorkar Jylla hapok ka kanhon sansar jong ka Kongres ka belatip kum ka Meghalaya United Alliance 2. Kelasong Jylang jong ka kanhon menteri banyak keren Halor ki katto kat ni kimat badan kam bansem ya karai ka bakerke. Kawai ni kimat ka balai keren kadai Halor ki kanrom kanram hakabedai bar ka Jingkhang kam mi kinu hikai haki skul Sorkar ki bahapok ka Lower Primary School jong usnam 8,000 pra 8,000 khandai hakaleng ka Jylla. Kebalapau pertai ke Jersey Halor ke Jingle bamhok house name arja khatway hakabala lap ksairu ba ka menteri Sorkar bakmi ya katnat puli puthi hakani kapor ka kong amperin lingdo kalon keti hakabale tu ya ki mark jong ki samla watkam ki balayele ya ka examen nak benta kani ka kam hikai Halor kani ka benta khandet teo menchua nakalyang ka Meghalaya High Court ru kalabtha ban IT no ya kani ka jingtoken syakatnat CBI Henry kani ka Jylang jong ka kanhon menteri henin kasngi kalarai ban batha ya katnat puli puthi ka Sorkar Jylla ban net tiet ya ka Jingkhang jong ka yeng shari ba kli do kari ka Supreme Court Halor ka rai jong ka yeng shari Meghalaya High Court dangshen Halor ka Mukotduma ta siali.
As you are aware, the case which was pending for disposal by the Honorable High Court, there has been a ruling on the 2nd of November, and this ruling has been examined. The department has been asked to examine this in consultation with the Department of Law. The Department of Law has examined the whole operational part of the judgment, and the Department of Law has returned their views, observation to the Department of Education today. And based on this exercise, today we wanted the cabinet to be updated. The process, the action starts from tomorrow. They will start talking, and then the action has in fact already started when we are saying that the whole exercise by the department in consultation with the law department and the law department's examination of the whole matter, then subsequent view which has been passed on, the subsequent observation of the law department which has been passed on and which is shared today before the cabinet itself is an exercise already. That means we are already working on it, but then obviously when we are deciding upon further course of action vis-a-vis any judgment of any honorable court, then it has to be based on the due diligence and the appropriate exercise which is expected, which includes the whole consultation with the legal department, including the law department's responsibility of consulting with the advocate general, etc.
Kiwai pat kimat ki baka kanhon menteri jong ka Sorkar MUA2 ki balai keren hakani ka sngi ki kenthop ya ka jingweng no ya ka jingpan sange ka jing perungkam hakatnat home guards and civil defense hakabalarai ban sedang biang no ka jing perungkam ya kumbalai spa ngot ki samlawat kam na ka Jylla berok away.
As you are aware that the government has embarked upon transparent recruitment policy in respect of police. Therefore, the same methodology which is designed to ensure transparent recruitment system was required to be adopted by the Department of Civil Defense and Home Guards, and therefore they had to amend these rules, and appropriately they had come to the cabinet for consideration of this proposed amendment. So the proposed amendment was considered, and therefore the relevant rules stand amended, and that will pave the way again as they embark upon certain recruitment to ensure complete transparency in the whole exercise of recruitment. So we have lifted the ban to allow Department of Civil Defense and Home Guards to proceed ahead to recruit and fill up the vacant posts which have accumulated over the years for having kept the whole recruitment process in abeyance. So this will again also open up opportunities for our young job seekers, and therefore job seekers also will have a recruitment system which is expected to be transparent, and therefore we agreed for this amendment, and then this is as part of the direction of the government that Department of Civil Defense and Home Guards also must have this whole transparent recruitment system adopted.
Sakawai pat kamat kadai halor ke jing terwa jong katnat housing ban penkalano i katto katne ki kendon jong ke service rules jong kane katnat. Halor kane kapang pat nakalyang ke kanhon menteri kelarai ban pediang ye ke jing terwa jong kane katnat. Kata ban wara no ye ke jipen kala bakan top ye ke Meghalaya Housing Services Rules 2017 bat ke Meghalaya Housing Engineering Technical Service Rules 2017.
As you are aware, the service rule is important for ensuring appropriate service conditions and also to ensure the promotional avenues, the career progression for all the employees in a manner which is considered as governed by a rule to ensure insulation of the whole system from any kind of manipulation, nepotism resulting into grievances, then the legal tangle resulting into litigation, etc., which again has its own fallout, because in number of departments we have seen that whenever there is a space for any kind of ambiguity in the service rules, there will always be a situation where there can be from amongst the employees coming out with the felt grievances and perceived injustices done and blending into litigation. So in order to ensure that such things are avoided, service rules are very important, and government has given a direction to all the concerned departments. In fact, you have seen in the last preceding years as to on a regular basis, departments after departments, the proposal for consideration of the either new service rules or amendment of the existing service rules have been placed before the cabinet for its consideration. So this is one exercise which has been an offshoot of the direction of the government in as far as the responsibility of the departments to take care of the service rules of various categories of government employees in their departments are concerned.